Hi everyone, it's Ruth from Viva del Toro, and I just wanted to hop on really quick and talk to you a little bit about conditioning your teaks and what that can do for them. So I have a lot of videos about teaks. I can link you to some of those, including a full review and then a bunch of color side-by-side comparisons of popular pairs of teaks. So I also have a post about polishing your teaks and how you can get rid of scuffs and how cleaning and conditioning can really help. But I didn't really show anything about what conditioning can do. And so I have here a pair of Mocha Snakes that I was able to get a really good deal on. These are normally, I think, $295, and I was able to get them at a really good price because they had a little bit of wear. I am going to put an insole in these, so that won't really be an issue. And I will clean the insides. I have a post coming about that. But they're really super dry, so I'm going to try to show you how dry they are. I don't know if you can kind of see. You can kind of see that they're just really dry looking, and they need a little bit of work. They need a little bit of a spiffing up, if you will. So normally what I use is, I usually swear by Apple Care. I've used Apple products on Louis Vuitton bags and all of my Classic Tieks in the past, and it comes in like a little kit with a cleaner and conditioner, and I love it. And it's just a little lightweight, and I thought this needed to be a more heavy duty kind of job because snakes are like, they're individually scaled. And I don't know exactly if it's what exactly the underneath finish is to the snakes, but they just look so dry that I was thinking it needed something heavier duty. And normally I would use my Fry. This is they call it a weatherproofing cream. It's like I don't know, like a balm almost. And normally I would just use this, but this is a little heavy, and it can change the color of your shoes. So I wanted to try something new that's usually recommended on a lot of the teak sites. And so I bought some Chamberlains Leather Milk, and this is formula number 3. I think there's like 6 or 8 formulations of this. I think number 1 is a cleaner, then number 6 is a conditioner of some sort or something. But number 3 is water protectant, I mean, and it's penetrating oils and waxes that protect leather. So just to use this, you're going to want to shake it up really good. It comes with a little terry cloth kind of pad to put it on. And you basically just clean them beforehand. So I gave them a quick wipe down with my Apple leather cleaner, and then just evenly kind of applied it. And I'm going to show you how the after looks. So this one I've done already. So you can kind of see it looks a ton better. Like, I'm really impressed with how thirsty these shoes were. They really needed some hydration there. But all of the scuffing looks good. The colors are richer. So they still have a couple little dry spots, especially around here, that I'm going to hit with some of the Fries, I think. But let me try to show you a side-by-side. So you can kind of see the difference about how they look. This is the before that I haven't treated yet, and this is the after. I don't know if it's gonna it's really showing, if it's focusing enough for you. So I'm gonna do a whole post about this so there's some still shots, but I'm pretty impressed with this Chamberlains Leather Milk. So I'm just going to show you how I applied it. I applied it right to this little pad and then just put it on. I put a pretty thick coat on and then just let it sit for a couple minutes just to kind of let it do its thing. I think that this also will change the color of your shoe. If it's a really light color shoe, it will absorb some of this, I guess because it's oil and waxes. So you just want to be careful. Probably not use this on a super light colored shoe. But I think for dark color shoes, it's pretty dynamite. It's doing a great job on these Mocha Snakes. And I'm just going to let it dry, and then you just buff it. I just use the other side of the pad to buff it once it was done. And I've actually done a second coat on this other one just because I thought it needed a little extra. And I'll probably hit it with a little bit of Fries here where there's you know, more cracking between the scales. But overall, really impressed with this stuff. So keep a lookout for the blog posts with the still shots. But I just wanted to kind of show you here on YouTube, if you can kind of see, it's really a huge improvement. So, all right, hopefully that helps somebody. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will try to answer them. Okay, bye.